Vivo IQOO Neo 9. Sabi na ibang tech vlogger, this is a very hot phone. Literally hot, based sa kanyang thermals. And pinakita naman niya lahat ng videos, ng testing na ginawa niya. And mainit ka talaga ang IQOO Neo 9 niya. But, ganun kainit nga din ba ang mga ibang IQOO Neo 9 sa market? Could it be defective ang kanyang unit? Malalaman natin in this video. So guys, itong video nito is made as request ng marami nating viewers. We'll quickly round down yung mga thermals nitong phone na ito, kanyang mga benchmark na nakuha ko dito, as well as extreme gaming dito sa kanya. Kung anong heat ang makukuha natin dito sa Neo 9. Would it be as hot as si Red Magic 9 Pro na tinry natin na umabot ng 55 to 56 degrees Celsius? Yun talaga medyo nakakapaso, aminin ko sa inyo. Itong IQOO Neo 9 na nireview natin previously, di ko siya na-feel na mainit. Until I saw the review ni Kotman na talagang mainit. Shoutout nga pala kay Kotman for making me make another video dito sa akin. This is a friendly discussion to let me show you yung thermals na nakuha ko dito sa phone ko. Would it be the same kay Kotman or would it be lower or would it be higher? Malalaman natin dito. Papakita ko sa inyo lahat na nakuha kong testing dito sa kanya. So I ran a couple of tests dito sa Neo 9 based on si WADF Extreme and we were able to get a best loop score na 3,672 dito with a 93% na stability. Then based dito sa room ko is air-cooled lang naman. Hindi naman masyado mainit, no? And kita natin, these are the performance range. And kita natin sa kanyang temperatures around 49 degrees Celsius. And frame rate natin is around nasa 27 FPS at ang kanyang pinakasagad. So, kita natin, this is the performance drop ng battery, pababa. So, nagko-consume siya ng battery, definitely. So, this is naman yung kanyang temperature. Okay? So, nag-peak siya at 49 degrees Celsius. Now, based sa aking mild na thermal scanner, this one, umabot din ng 49 at around somewhere dito. And makita naman natin dito sa thermal scanner natin. It also yield the same result dito sa testing natin. This was gathered nung bandang nasa 16 to 17 over 20 na loop, no? No, medyo halos near patapos na. And yun ang pinaka-peak niya na cycle, no? Kita natin. Now, pagdating mo dito sa thermal throttling test ni Neo 9, this is the one that I got. So, graph niya, no? So, kita natin almost all green, all goods. Nag-throttle siya to 87% and ang kanyang average na GIPS is 339,000 and ang kanyang temperature is around 53 degrees Celsius. Nang-max out siya sa 3.18 GHz ang kanyang CPU clock. And based sa aking thermometer, this one, ang kanyang screen, no? At yung pinaka-hottest point niya is around mga 47 degrees Celsius sa screen and dito sa likod niya is around 50 to 51 degrees Celsius. Halos nasa 50 more on consistently and makita naman natin sa ating thermal gun, no, na mild C. This is the result na nakita natin based sa image.
I was quietly protective of my heart to reassure that I couldn't break to pieces and be left alone once more. If you hadn't been so patient, you'd be easy to ignore. You put up with all my till you didn't anymore. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours, anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours, and now we're singing. I have been too self-involved, been protective of my feelings, but somehow you made me fall. You got underneath the surface and you shattered every wall. And I know I got that feeling, there's no question anymore. And now I stand here.
While playing itong game na ito, si Firelight 84 for roughly mga 40 minutes down the road, third BR match na natin to, and chine-check natin ang kanyang thermals based on max settings. Ang kanyang screen is around mga 45 degrees Celsius, ang kanyang pinakamainit. And ang kanyang thermal sa likod is around 46 degrees Celsius, ang pinakamainit. Based sa aking test dito after 40 minutes using my mild C na thermal scanner.
break to
So guys, nakita na yung thermos na nakuha natin dito. This one is hot. I would say yes, it's hot, but hindi siya kasing hot ng Red Magic 9 Pro natin, which reach around mga 56 degrees Celsius, and medyo nakakapasok pag hinawakan mo. What's nice dito sa kanya is that umabot siya as high as 50 based sa aking thermal, sa aking mild-C na thermal scanner, and that is yung extreme na nilagay natin, wildlife extreme test. Naglaro tayo ng Fahrenheit 84, and nilagay natin sa thermal throttling. Lahat yan have yet to break 50 degrees Celsius dito sa likod. No? And the hottest point is definitely dito, somewhere around sa camera, and medyo mas cool naman dito, somewhere down there. Not quite sure kung dahil nga ba sa leather finish nito sa likod, kaya medyo maganda ang kanyang heat dissipation or natatrap ang init sa likod. I'm not quite sure. If you're an expert sa mga materials like leather, comment on the comment section below if it does have an effect sa heat nitong phone na ito. And let's open a discussion dyan sa comment section below, and a subscription to this channel would definitely be a stig. And I'll see you on the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.